Hello everyone, this is again Teacher Grace for the week 6 lesson in grade 5, which is all about visualizing multiplication of fractions using models. So let's try to have some review of fractions. Okay, I'll show you this time how to visualize fractions using models. So this is all about visualizing fractions. As we all know, we have different kinds of fractions. We have proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed fractions. So this time, I'll show you the model of a proper fraction 3/4. If you see it, there is one whole divided into 4 equal parts, and you take 3 parts out of 4. So this is how you show 3/4. So another example of a proper fraction is 2/6. So if you're going to look at the model, okay, you will get 2 out of 6 equal parts. So this is the model of the fraction 2/6. Okay, look at the fraction I have here now. This is 9/4. 9/4 is an example of an improper fraction. Okay, if you can see, the numerator is greater than the denominator. So how are you going to illustrate this? So I have here an entire circle divided into 4. So all the 3 circles are divided into 4 since the denominator is 4. So this will be 4/4, another 4/4, plus 1/4. So if you're going to count the number of colored equal parts, you will get 9/4. So this is the model of 9/4. So I have here a fraction 2 and 7/10. So 2 and 7/10 is an example of a mixed fraction. There is a whole number and a fraction. I have here 3 circles divided equally into 10 equal parts. Then the 2 circles are shaded entirely, which represents the whole number 2. And the last fraction, or the third circle rather, representing the 7/10. So if you're going to combine the 3 circles, it will give you the idea of the mixed fraction 2 and 7/10. Okay, I will show you visualizing multiplication of fractions using models. Example of this is 3/5 times 3. If you can see this one, okay, it shows 3 out of 5. This is also 3 out of 5 and 3 out of 5. Okay, this is 3/5 times 3. It will give you a result of this portion. So, if you're going to count all the shaded part here, so it will give you 9 shaded parts. So this is the result of 3/5 times 3. So you have here, the first 3 is this one, and this 3 is this portion plus this one, and the last 3 is this portion. So if you're going to count all the shaded parts, it will give you 9/5. So if you're going to multiply 3/5 times 3, it will give you a result of 9/5. Let's try to go to the process. The denominator of 3 is 1. This is hidden. Remember, all whole number has a hidden denominator of 1. So, the rule here is you multiply the numerator and also their denominator. So, if you are going to multiply 3 times 3, it will give you 9. And 5 times 1 is equals to 5. Therefore, 3/5 times 3 is equals to 9 over 5. This time, I will show you multiplication of fraction by another fraction. Example of this is 1/3 times 3/5. The rule says you multiply numerator by the numerator and denominator by its denominator. So if you're going to multiply 1 times 3, it will give you a result of 3. And 3 times 5 is equals to 15. So 1/3 times 3/5 is equals to 3 over 15. Then how are you going to show the illustration of 1/3 times 3/5? So this is 1/3 times 3/5. This is 3 out of 5. If you're going to combine this portion are covered by these two figures. So how many are there? So it will give you 3 out of 15 equal parts. So if you're going to multiply 1/3 times 3/5, it will give you a result of 3 over 15. And then reduce your answer to lowest term because it is possible. Now, we're going to look for the greatest common factor of 3 and 15, or the number that can divide both 3 and 15, which is also the number 3. So if you divide 3 by 3, it will give you 1, and 15 divided by 3 is equals to 5. So 1/5 is the lowest term of 3 over 15. Again, this is Teacher Grace saying, Math is for life. Ang math ay buhay. Kaya tara na, gawin nating makabuluhan ang ating buhay. Mathtuto na. Bye!